Sat Shri Akal, I'm Akhtar.
Hi, I'm Nisha.
Welcome to our podcast, Two Best Friends, where we talk about everything and anything that's happening in our lives: millennial life, migrant life, women life, single parent life,
Every
every life, every sort of life.
yeah. And today we actually thought that instead of actually having a topic, we want to just talk, right?
Just unhinged
Unhinged,
conversation.
but also we just want to talk because
Thanks, Ashwin. We're recording.
we're doing a recording. We've
You can
had
have it.
we had starting again.
No, that's
Should
fine.
we go? Okay. That is live.
This is
so
live.
this is unhinged. Okay. Anyway, so we just want to talk the way we talk, and we are just what's happening because um we like that. When you have those hard days, like what's happening, and
I don't know. Yeah, we had this topic that we wanted to talk about. Somehow it didn't pan out the way we'd hoped. But then we were like,
we have so much to talk about.
talk about it in general because before the podcast we anyway catch up on our life, and we were like, why not do it on camera?
Yeah.
And perfect day for it because I'm not feeling too up, too good. I don't know if it's full moon. I don't know if it is something happened over last week that's been happening, but definitely something. Um, so we were like, why not talk about that?
Yeah.
So,
And here we are. And I think same. Me and we are those kind of friends that may not kind of talk to each other every day. Or sometimes we do end up talking in different mediums every day, or sometimes we don't, right?
yeah.
And but then we have these now. We kind of lucky that we get to do this every week and we talk to each other. And I think, same for me. I think like I was saying, me and that after me, right? And I felt like till yesterday, I was so full of what was happening in
Yeah.
right? And Pakistan and India. And that was really impacting how I'm speaking. And we will have an episode on that like in the next time. But that really impacted everything else, right? I was feeling overwhelmed about that, but also about the world and like where are we going? Like, with all the different things that are coming through. And it almost felt like it hit home.
Yeah. It definitely
It
did.
did, right?
It
And
did
I
hit
think
home.
that I didn't realize, but also like I was like questioning things, like saying, what am I doing? Like, what the fuck am I doing? Living my life, but also the guilt, but also like saying it's out of my control, but also
Yeah.
wanting to control something, but not able to do control. Like, I think that was my general feel of the week, on top of everything else that happens,
Yeah.
including the full moon. I was telling Attar yesterday that I had a few people who were quite unwell and at the hospital, right? And they were, why? Then I asked her, like, and we said, like, is it full moon?
And my first instinct was, even you believe in such things. Like, it's okay. I think it's expected for me to say such a thing, but her being a psychologist,
But I just had to
I'm
put it.
expecting
I
you to
had
be much more rational.
I know, but I can be rational, but I can also be. I have to believe in something beyond because sometimes things are not rational in life, right?
Yeah, like
And
full moon.
like full moon, or someone said to me, "Also, Manisha, it's 13th."
Oh
I'm
my!
like,
Oh,
okay.
that was way too much. I believe in full moon, the impact of it, but not the 13.
Yeah. But anyways, the point is you can believe in whatever, but it also like sometimes when things are out of your, you know.
Yes, but you know what? I realized that last week when we were recording is when everything was in full swing starting.
Yeah.
I was stressed that day. I was stressed the next day because, of course, it was hitting Chandigarh. It was like everywhere. Uh, the one family member that was close to everything, she was like full masti ki neend so rahi hai. I was the one who was checking up on my sister. I'm like, "Tu zinda hai? Tu theek hai?"
I was quite worried.
Yeah, and she was like, "Hey, nahi, kuch nahi, theek hai, bas main to so ke uthi hu." So she was telling to me for the news. But after I think about 36 hours of intensity in my mind and being overwhelmed, I actually thought, I was like, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा क्या होगा? मर जाएंगे, मरना तो वैसे भी है, क्या ही कर सकते हैं?
Man, that's some kind of thinking.
फिर मैं ठीक हो गई. Then I was like, कि चलो जो है देखा जाएगा, क्योंकि मरना तो है ही है.
That's
उसके
true.
अगर वो
But
हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन के साथ अगर तुम इतना स्ट्रेस लेते रहो ना, वो तो मेरे से होता नहीं।
of course, but it's the anxiety, right? That's how it works. And especially if it's your family members, it's not just the impact is so high. Like I have friends in Amritsar, and I was thinking, मतलब मैं literally उस जगह के बारे में सोचती मैं oh my god, that's like pretty close to the border, and what is it?
Yeah.
But I also found it very hard to reach out to people. I've got to say, just because I'm like यार वो थक गए होंगे साला messages ढूंढ आके कि are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? I was
No.
thinking in my head like I don't know, and
But
I
that's
did.
no, that's the way. Like I think उनका भी entertainment इसी चीज से था. Have you seen the memes up there?
No, I haven't.
Oh my god, they're
So I have
hilarious.
actually then I said nah, I'm not going
You
to.
didn't? Oh my god.
I'm not very
Memes are
much
the best thing out of it. Memes were like the Punjabi people, I don't know if it was in Jalandhar or wherever. They were like looking at the drones and they were like, oh, ye aage, ye aage, ye aage.
No, I
It
didn't.
was,
I did not go
well,
into that
that's,
space
yeah,
at all
I did.
because I was really like I'm just generally life, right? हम लोग मतलब मुझे लगता है in trying to set up new things and stuff, and it's just like even yesterday I went to the city and I'm like, hey, I just realized for myself, I don't think I can work from outside anymore. Like I can maybe do once a week out, but
Someone who
personally,
does not like,
I
this is coming from someone who doesn't like ordering from the QR
I know
code.
maybe that's why. Like I have realized this whole hodgepodge of driving, getting to a place, working from there, that world does not do well for me. Like I would do a day. I think that's okay
वो
for my
तेरा
mental
नया नया phase है, used हो जाएगी इतनी कोई कुछ भी नहीं है.
I don't know.
Everyone
Maybe I'm just like, no, maybe it's not meant for me and it's okay. Like, I'm
and
okay.
you need to give yourself at least
But
some
it's
time
okay
before
for me
you
not
settle
to
it.
go
No,
anywhere.
but then decide it after some time. You can't just after one day. You can't give up. It's like going to the school and be like, oh no, this is ABC is too hard. मैं नहीं जा रही.
Okay.
कम से कम एक दो साल तो
Others
दे
like
इसको.
others like give it a try. But I think working from home, if you can, is such an amazing thing.
No, it's not.
I enjoy it. Atta doesn't, as you can see.
Yeah, that's also the dynamics and the situation is different. I'm a single person, single mother, so my interaction is a lot different to yours.
I also think because of kids, right? मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि यार, I mean, for me, I do the evening pickups, right? It's only a limited amount of time I can give to this space, professional life, or like work, right?
As in like your
The
clients.
clients or face to face kind of work. It's a very limited amount of time I can give.
Huh.
So I am like maximize that rather than wasting my time going away to places to do work, which I can do from home.
You know what? This I can just hear this conversation slowly leading to Goa.
No, it's not.
लाइफ ही नहीं है मेरे लिए मुझे बस गोवा में ही रहना है.
That actually I forgot about recently. But yes, that's always there. I mean, that is another question altogether. I
मतलब
keep
मैं
asking,
last
but
week
if this is real life, why
yes,
is it
can
so
I
hard?
can I just
Like, but
like
it's not hard.
last week we had this conversation before we started recording that I had busy 2 religious weeks and I was like my cup was so filled I'm struggling to settle back into my routine. मैं तो नॉर्मल बात कर रही थी ये बहन तो हो गई शुरू हैव यू एवर थॉट दैट इज दिस द नॉर्मल मैंने कहा बहन इतनी मेरे में अभी कैपेसिटी नहीं है ये सोचो कि इफ दिस इज नॉर्मल एंड हाउ डू आई वांट टू चेंज इट मतलब ठीक है ये बोरिंग लाइफ ये
No, but it's not boring. It's I just sometimes
it
makes me
boring.
Okay, it makes
Busyness
me
of it is
question. Yeah, like I just because sometimes we have these responses about, oh my God, we're going into this. And I'm like, why? Why are we having like I enjoy what I do as well. I'm not saying I don't, but there are days I don't. And I think that's pretty noble, right? But then I'm like, is there another path that I am not choosing to have because I'm so used to comfort, right? I'm so used to this comfort that I have of routine and where I am.
Can I give ourselves some credit that if we are questioning it, then we have made different choices in the past and we do make path for ourselves. जहाँ पे हम कहते हैं कि नहीं ये नहीं workout हो रहा तो दूसरी तरफ जाते हैं.
Yeah,
Which is why you started studying, which is why you
Yeah, I
started doing a lot of things, and even
absolutely.
I did the same. तो
Of course.
ठीक है life question करनी बनती है.
It does, and I think it's and I think that is what it is. But I don't know. Sometimes it's like enjoy being hectic and all that. But
Oh my
also
God, did you just realize? We didn't even do silver lining today.
Yeah, because I don't know what the silver lining for this week. So my silver lining was on Mother's Day. I got to sleep in the whole day. Not the whole day, but we went to the market and I came back and I was in the bed sulking and just being
Yes.
sad, and that was good.
Oh
Because I
my
got
God.
used to that.
Yes, yes. My silver lining is that as well. Um, Mother's Day, we were driving to Fitzroy because my mom wanted to go to the Fitzroy market. And on the way, Gyan just asked me. We had soccer game for him in the morning, and then we were driving from there to Fitzroy. So he just asked me, he's like, remind me again why we're going to Fitzroy. And I was like, oh, because it's Mother's Day and BG wants to go to the market. So maybe we can do that. And he turned around and he was like, oh, is it Mother's Day today? I was like, yeah. And he looked at me and he bowed down and he was like, come up, Smita. And oh my God, that was so beautiful. Like the way he said thank you and thank you in general.
Yeah.
That was just so beautiful. I was like, oh, I was not looking forward to it. I didn't want to even remember today's Mother's Day, but that was such a sweet little moment. And then he bought me a present, which was very sweet, unexpected, but yes, with
And
my own money.
of course, who's else?
No, he does have, he gets pocket money, he has money. He could have done that.
You need to loan him and get that money back.
Yes.
But yes, I think those little, yeah, so that was my moment. And even then, I mean, I was just like, just don't ask me. And if you're doing stuff, do stuff. I don't care. Like,
कुछ भी करो.
especially for my partner, I was like, भाई तुझे जो करना है ना तू कर. ठीक है? He's like, we bought a plant. Like, I have to pick up this body plant. Can you come? Like, no, I can't. I just want to be in the bed and I will do nothing.
You know what? Anytime Gyan doesn't want to do anything and I call him out and his response is आप जिस व्यक्ति को संपर्क करने की कोशिश करें वो इस समय उपलब्ध नहीं है.
That's it.
I think that's what you need to start
That
doing
is
too.
what I did at that moment, to be honest. And I said, okay. And then, it was next time, like, oh my God, my back is paining. I'm like, who asked you
किसने
to do
कहा
it?
था?
Mat karo, mat kar. So I think, but that was my silver lining, not Ashwin's backpack, but the uplabd nahi hai moment was very good for me, and to be okay with it, right?
Yeah.
To sit with it, because I knew the moment I got up, I will have 400 things I will see in the house that I want to do. And that is exactly what happened the next day in the morning, right? But I had energy to do it at that time. Because recently I learned somewhere, and I think I'm really going with it a lot. Like, that's my new thing recently, is it's about kind of checking into how I'm feeling in the moment. Like, if I'm feeling tired, lonely, whatever I'm feeling, right? Check it. And then if I check in, also seeing how to feel, right? Because a lot of times you get upset and you get angry because you're feeling tired and you're exhausted, whatever. But then you get angry at your kids or your partner, your friends or whatever. Except instead of doing that, first say, okay, what do I need? Do I actually just need to lay in? Or do I actually need to eat because I've eaten nothing?
Yeah.
And doing that instead of the 400 other things that I'm noting, which is kapde uthana, ye karna, which is what happens with me all the time, right? And then I burst like a pressure cooker.
Yeah.
Saying, "Ah, you can't." And then you're like, damn.
It was the
Then
other
I have to
thing.
work on the repairs with my kids.
But that's so important. And I know, like, कभी कभी मुश्किल होता है करना इतना, पर एक बार habit बना लो ना, it's a very
But
good
the
thing.
more you check in with yourself, and also, like, I feel like, I don't know about you, but I feel like the conditioning has been a lot about, we don't really look into what our needs are.
नहीं मैं तो अब कर लेती हूँ.
तू कर लेती होगी, but I don't know if that is
But
something we grow up with.
हाँ 100%.
And as a woman, I feel like it's more like you just don't grow up with, because need is equal to being selfish.
Yes.
Right? And I think that is what I'm feeling.
Yeah.
Okay, no, but if I don't fill my cup or I don't actually give myself the oxygen, how am I going to survive?
पता है जब मैं बड़ी हो रही थी ना, the compliment you could get was that person is like a man.
And also, I
Like a
feel
man.
like,
So, but and then the man doesn't cry. Man is not vulnerable. So my picked up like a quality was that I should never be vulnerable because that's the sign of weakness. In last 2-3 years, that's one thing I've started doing actively, mindfully to be vulnerable. Now, if I'm not feeling good, I just say it. I speak to you. I speak to other friend of mine. I speak to my sister, and I'm just like, I don't know why I'm feeling this way, but I'm feeling this way.
And I think my learning when you talk about growing up is, in my head, I was like, I was an easy kid in some ways, like till I was a teenager. And easy kids have less needs, so they're pretty sorted.
Yeah.
And I feel that has stuck, right? And it's like, and even now we have that language, oh, this person's a high needs. And I feel like it's just about, as a human being, right? We have needs, but we learn to just dabao it and not really know what we need and check in into that. And that is what you get trained. And I did, at least. I feel like I got trained into saying, nahi, theek hai. Watch it, chill. I'm not saying everywhere create a ruckus, but still also lean in and see what do you actually, you know, do you really want to do this? Or is it just you're wanting to do because you want to please people? Or you just don't want to be difficult. And that's why.
Difficult people are the happiest because they do check in with themselves. They do look
Difficult
after
people
themselves.
are they happiest because they check in with the yeah. I mean, not at the cost of other people.
No,
but,
of course not. Of course.
also not at the cost of yourself,
Yeah.
right?
But I don't mind if someone is very blunt, very like straight up. Like people mark them as like arrogant, selfish, but it's a sign, it's a healthy sign that if you can't look after yourself, how are you meant to look after your children or others?
It is, but it's not easy.
नहीं
Easily done.
इंडियन उसमें नहीं बहुत मुश्किल है पर फिर भी
नहीं, मुझे भी
सोच
मुश्किल
रहे हैं
लगता
कर
है.
रहे
मैं
हैं
भी try. I also struggle with it sometimes. Where I'm like, I do stuff that I feel like I'm doing it because I just want to keep like some kind of because I just either don't feel confident enough to say no, and I do consider myself to be pretty generally okay to say no or to say none. But there are moments where I'm like, okay, I'll just do it. It's okay, right? And kind of, even though I may not be 100% on it.
I think the more circle, more people you have in your life, then more what's the word understanding you are of that, more leaned you are to make those changes and adjustments at your own cost. ठीक है चल रही है जिंदगी अच्छी चल रही है वैसे I have to say. But yeah, I must say that last week part of me was like यार अगर वहाँ पे war होती भी है ना like full-fledged, I would rather be there than here.
Yeah, Ashwin was ready to book his tickets.
Yeah, I would rather have gone back. ठीक है मरना तो साथ में मरते
But it's not about Marna.
I know
feel like
it's
more
not.
complex than
It
Marna.
is. It is.
Like in my
I get
head,
justified with that.
in my head, I was
minimize my
thinking,
problems.
my mother's in the south, right? And I was thinking, if I had to ask like people to move, right? And that number started growing in my head. Like I'm like, you can go to south, and then I'm like, that's too big. No, 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 that's 4. No, 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 that's 10. No, 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 no. It just kept moving up, right? I'm like, oh damn, that's like this is just impossible. You can't displace people and tell them to move to places, right?
Exactly.
But it also, yeah, and I don't know, I don't want to talk much about it because I know we're going to talk about it more deeply later. But it was quite impactful, and it was also quite, I mean, for me, I felt like it was quite shocking. I just didn't expect it to. I don't know, like it's always been there, but it's not something that
It
comes in
actually
the
happened.
forefront.
मतलब इतना कभी हुआ नहीं है हमारे टाइम में तो
नहीं
कभी हमने देखा नहीं है फिर मैंने एक बार तो मैं ये सोचने लगी मैंने कहा यार मूवी देख लिया अब यही देखना बाकी
But
है
then
क्या
I was thinking as well, and I was like, "Why बीच-बीच में अभी खत्म हुआ है?
हाँ मैंने
What
कहा,
is this
"यार,
next
ये
thing?"
सांस ही नहीं है मैंने कहा पिछली जनरेशन को कुछ तो सांस आ गई थी हमें तो वो भी नहीं आ रही
And I've got to say, I think that's where the anxiety mind kind of
Yes.
went in. And then it
Yeah.
was like, oh my God, if this is how world is going to be, where is the world going to? Like, and I'm reading this book, which is ridiculous because it literally is based on end of the world stuff. And it is about when the world, it's in 2020, it is actually started in 2024, but it baat karta hai ki how the world, America's gone.
you've talked
And now I'm on the second one, but India is fighting with that side, and it's so like, and when I hear all these things, and I keep listening to that book, and I'm like, oh,
it's too vivid
this is so real, like, and it's very scary. That
पता मुझे कभी कभी डर क्या लगता है कि यार दुनिया खत्म होगी ना इतनी जल्दी तो होने वाली है नहीं है उतने टाइम तक तो जिंदा रह जाएंगे then I'm like what if I am reincarnated तो फिर क्या करूंगी then I'm like I have to go through the life again और फिर दुनिया खत्म होगी far out
बोल देना यार please
प्लीज बस दोबारा नहीं
बस
इसके बाद नहीं let the karma be settled here क्या क्या सोचते हैं ना
the way the brain goes.
Yeah.
I know that is so true. But it is. I mean, I didn't go to the next life, but even this life, I'm like, damn, what kind of world? I'm only in my 30s right now. Is this how our like parents felt? Like, because they've also seen so much, I feel, like over the years. Like,
पता है क्या
changes.
हम लोग इतना फील इस वजह से भी कर पाए बिकॉज अब बेसिक नीड्स आर मेट उनकी बेसिक नीड्स मेट नहीं थी तब
Look at the time nahi varnas. You know what my mom said?
हाँ.
I asked her about the 70s. She's like, yeah, I remember I was in Ajmer, Rajasthan. She's like, yeah, it was all fun and games. We were just hiding in the trenches. I'm like, What does that mean?
No,
How can hiding? But then I also thought about it. I'm like, yeah, social media wasn't that.
Yes.
And TV was
Huh.
also black and white at that time in 70s. So, of course,
Yeah.
that was like all what you're listening and looking at
But
people.
मैंने ना, I come from a family where our hometown is, where our gaon is. There is like, I wouldn't call it river, but for the conversation's sake, I'll say that river would flood over, and that was a normal occurrence to leave the home behind and किसी और गांव में चले जाओ because के पानी आ गया. So I was like, they were always displaced. Every season
But
they were
how
displaced.
like till now?
नहीं अब नहीं है, अभी recently हुआ था 5-6 साल पहले, if I'm not wrong. हुआ था recently when they had to move stuff, पर उनका ये normal occurrence था.
I mean,
So
don't you say
that
you
was the
feel
joy of it.
Banjara? Did you say you feel like you're a Banjara at
I
heart?
wanted to be Banjara when I was little.
Yes, maybe
Because
that's
of
why
their
it came
kapde and
from
everything.
there.
I have that Banjara mentality.
Yes.
But then one of my clients, she tells me, she was like, who are you running away from? Because you travel so much. मैंने कहा भाई दुनिया ही देखनी है, इतना ही है, इतना complicated मत करो.
I don't know.
Don't you say that too?
I think there's joy in traveling, and I think there is. Yeah, see, I think that's fine. Absolutely okay doing that. What's your next travel, Atar?
I'm going to Thailand.
That's only one. Can you talk about the rest of
Oh
that?
yes, I will. I will. Actually, let me walk you through that.
This year.
This year and next maybe. I'm going to Thailand. Then I'm coming back, and then I'm here for like few weeks, and then I'm going to Vietnam. From Vietnam, I'm directly going to South Korea with you. I'm so excited about it. Then I'm coming back home, and then I'm going to India in the same month, like within few days. Going to India, coming back, and then another month and a half, and then we are planning with Gyan go back to India for his summer holidays, winter holiday of India. Hopefully, going to Spain and Portugal because they have this soccer league there, so go there. And then I want to do a little trip with my sisters while I'm in India. I don't know where though. So that, and then it's FIFA 2026 next year World Cup.
Where is it?
America, Canada, Mexico. I don't think I am going. I think Gyan's going, but I'm not. If that's not happening, then I want to do a big trip that I'm starting to look into. That's I'm so excited about. If that doesn't happen next July, then I'm doing that in September.
What's a big trip?
Going to Africa.
That is a big trip.
So yeah.
That's
I am trying to hold myself back, thinking कि नहीं अभी बहुत जल्दी है tickets वगैरह, but I want to set it in concrete, and फिर वो war होगी, and then I'm like, what do you even know? Like कल होना हो, इतने पैसे भी लगा दो, कल होना हो.
Yeah, I know, and I know you and me are talking about the local trip that we
हाँ जा रहे हैं.
And I've got to say,
बहन बता दे मुझे.
that's not about the trip, but I'm actually finding it so hard to plan in future.
नहीं please इतना हम ना give up नहीं कर सकते.
No, it's not. I don't know if it's the war. I don't know what it is, but I'm finding it so hard to plan in future altogether. Like even like you asked me about the summer, like December, Jan, and I actually don't know. And I'm like, it's not too far. And last year I did the whole thing. I don't know what it is, but I'm finding it very hard.
Do you know what it is? I don't think it's got anything to do with what we experienced last week. I think it is your state of mind with your work.
Yeah.
You're just too busy that it's not on your priority list.
Not that, it's also the unpredictability of my work because I'm wanting to change from an employment space to another space. And I think that is what is making it really hard, is the whole कि क्या करूं मतलब you know हाँ कि उसको कैसे manage करूं कैसे होगा, and that is why it's making it harder for me to plan stuff ahead, which would have been easier, I think, and that is what my biggest hesitation is.
पर जा रहे हैं हम यार लोकल वाले में तो come on. मैं इतनी उम्मीदें लगा के बैठी हूँ.
पता है मुझे, चले जाएंगे.
मतलब बुक कराना है यार.
Yes, Atar. After minute, I just opened up my heart. All she's thinking about is the going. Like I don't care.
That's the
मेरे को
source
जो
of my
लग रहा है, जो
joy.
feel हो रहा है, as if
बहन अगर
उसके
तू नहीं आएगी ना,
उससे इतने joy. Didn't we just hear her itinerary for the whole year? She has covered like 7 countries, and then she's like, "That is the source of my joy." If I
no,
don't,
not that trip, just overall traveling. But you know, since January, I haven't been anywhere. Like July तक मैं कहीं नहीं जा रही यार. मतलब
oh man, so sad.
हाँ मेरा दिल दुखता है. मतलब
Like,
मेरी उम्मीदें, मेरी आशाएं, मेरा joy, कोई नहीं.
what do you get out of traveling, Atul?
I don't know. It's just out of, I love my routine, but I think that to feel passionate for my routine, I like to travel. उसको ignite करता है. It's my something that I don't know. I just love it. I'm looking forward to Thailand, traveling with my one of my closest friends, eating food there, experiencing culture. And the new thing that I wanted, like I've started thinking of doing, is actually going to the places and learning their local cuisine.
Yeah,
That's
that'd be
become my new
that
thing,
food's
that
fun.
I'm already looking at classes that I can do and things like that. So I don't know. It's just the whole experience. And going to Korea, it's going to be my second time, and I am excited. It was one of my best trips last year.
That's cool. I'm excited about it. I haven't thought about it much, to be
हाँ,
honest.
क्योंकि तू कल का नहीं सोच पाएगी तब का क्या सोचेंगे.
That's it. I haven't, and I think, but yeah, I mean, traveling is always fun.
पर इतना नहीं मैं करती कि मिलता क्या उसमें से. ठीक है, जाता है बंदा, यही
No, I
जिंदगी है.
don't.
But you know what? Actually, no. I realized it that once you start traveling, you have so many stories. That's a great conversation starter. And I realized it recently when I'm meeting new people. It is a great conversation starter. It is a great point of bringing your experience in or learning from other people where they have traveled. So I think that's a very good connecting point. It makes you a little bit more like open for the conversations. वो है.
Yeah, that's good.
उससे ज्यादा तो पैसा बर्बादी है.
I
घर
don't
में
think
आराम
it
से
is.
सो.
I feel like
My
that's
family definitely looks
yeah,
at
I
that.
think that's coming from somewhere else. I've got to say, because I know you don't think that, but
No,
neither.
no.
And it's just this is your defense mechanism coming through. But we're not gonna psychoanalyze you right now. But I agree.
You
I
give the
think,
Chingari of psychoanalysis and बोलती हूँ, अब नहीं करूँगी.
but I was tempted, but I'm not gonna say anything.
No, tell me now.
No, but I mean, you
अभी
just.
आधा कर दिया.
I'm just like I think traveling is amazing, and you can choose how whatever kind of life you want, right?
Yeah.
That is the way I think you create balance in your life.
Yeah.
Right. But you also have this internal dialogue in your head. They keep thinking about, oh my god, am I wasting my money and resources?
No,
Or
I'm not.
that no, not you, but it is there because you've heard it. And I think it keeps coming as your defense thing. You just say it out, so you're like, I have covered all bases.
पर पता क्या नहीं बोल दिया क्या पता क्या वो चीज होती है. I think I've been a black sheep, I've been a rebel, and that's been a notion that my family, I don't think that's the case anymore, because there are a lot more travelers in my family who travel actually a lot more better diverse, who have traveled. I feel like they are much more well versed than I am in traveling. But
you don't think that it is. I'm just kidding. She doesn't agree that is what it is.
no, it is being the black sheep of like being the rebel of.
But you're not that anymore.
I'm not. I think I'm just defying that the normal notion that especially my dad's had.
Yeah.
So
And I
I'm
think
just
that's
defying that. That's what I always do. I'm defying what he said no to.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah, and I think that is what
That's
it is.
what it is.
And maybe
Like, oh my god, क्या यार? मैं भूल ही जाती हूँ, बोल क्या रही हूँ?
हो जाता है 40 की उम्र होते थे.
Sometime to.
A few years. But yeah, I think that I agree, and I think I don't know. I just feel live the way we want to live, and it's okay. Whatever it
वैसे
is.
तो I live pretty fine.
You do.
I live on
I
my
think
own
it's the
terms.
internal. You do, but
हाँ, वो तो
unlike
चलता
everyone
रहेगा.
else, but it's the internal dialogue or internal stuff that we create for ourselves as well. While we do that,
सभी करते हैं.
yeah,
मैं तो अकेली तो
absolutely.
नहीं.
No,
हाँ.
I guess we all do it. No one. I don't think there's anyone in the world who doesn't have an internal dialogue that questions some of it, or how we live life, and questioning that living life, and thinking how we're screwing up our kids, and actually not screwing up our kids, or whatever that means. I think there's so many aspects to it. But yeah, I think हम चला रहे हैं जिंदगी two best
अच्छी
friend
चल रही है.
podcast.
I mean, that was a good step.
Yeah.
Good step क्या? Scary step.
It was
मतलब
scary.
हमारी
It
लाइफ
still
हेक्टिक
is.
है, फिर भी इसको डाल के उस मिक्स में हमने और हेक्टिक की है. But we still pushing through with it. That's a good
I
step.
actually enjoy it. If
Yeah.
nothing else, I enjoy the conversations we have. and being
जो
able
वैसे
to
भी हो जाता
catch up. And no, we don't. We wouldn't have met
है
each
हाँ
other every week
वीकली तो नहीं
if in in this space. So I think that is, I enjoy that part, and I think that's the most important part,
ये भी है
right? Maybe we'll let people like go now because we can
but
keep talking.
हाँ we can we need to talk about our trip.
All right. So
Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening to our ramble. If
chatter,
that's the word.
yarning. I don't know what we did, but I think just a glimpse of the conversations we can have. Of course, this is as I don't think this is 100% authentic version, but it is. We talk like this, but if you think
Almost यही है मतलब ठीक है ऐसी बात है
19-20
19-20 इतने 19-20 तो ज्यादा हो गया
till 19.5 at least.
हाँ
But yeah, thank you, and we'll see you next week.
bye
Bye.